for the extra clean on mine. I hate having to wrestle with that thing. I used it the other day.
You look at all those ones I had.
Oh, good luck. There you go.
14 feet doesn't seem like a lot until it's on the down. So you're like,
we got to pick this hood up, mount it back up there. Unfortunately, we're too far away for our Colton's massive 14-foot reach crane to reach over here to put the hood on. So he's got it. So rather than getting out my littler crane that we could move real easily, he's going to move the entire truck. Well, I'd have to move my entire truck too, but he's going to move now. That's what he thinks is going to happen here. Nothing that to do there.
Here, I'm up there. I'll hang the dirt up and put it on first. Oh, it hurt. Look at that. WD-40 did.
There's some WD-40 in one of the boxes on my truck.
Well, it's pretty well on there now.
WD-40, it's still a little late for that now. You just full send on the dry lube.
Yeah. Lube up the edges at least, that way once she starts getting to the lube part it gets easier. I don't know, I think it's these back corners at least, we'll probably get her on there a little further. I don't know how much this motor costs, but I do not want it to experience dirt.
Let me grab some WD.
Look out, Jack!
Just plug it. What are you doing? Let's run around.
I'm not gonna use it.
Sorry, I blew on the hose.
Started.
And it pressurized.
Just give it a little vacuum. Just like that, it stops. Oh, now it dribbles when you laugh.
Can you see that hose real quick?
Is this thing, did you loosen the clamp?
Yes, the clamp's loose. It's baked on there. You want to pull on it and see if it comes off? I was just going to cut it.
Just pull on it harder, it'll get off.
Oh, yeah. Stop laughing. You're trembling.
Oh, I got my thumb over it now. Here, you want me to give you a little?
Oh, my. There's a dribble.
You. Go. What are you doing with that? Whittling? Carter's about to show us how to carve a bird out of a coolant hose.
Learned it in Boy Scouts.
I was in Boy Scouts, actually.
After this
You were in the
clinic, there'll
Cub
be a not
Scouts.
kind clinic.
What? I was in Cub Scouts? No, I was in Boy Scouts.
You were in Girl Scouts.
Yeah, I was.
He was a firefly.
Girl Scouts was way fucking cooler. They had cookies.
Hot.
Ooh.
Little girls.
Hey, put your finger over your spout there.
It's not.
That's quality.
Yeah, real high. Real high aim JCB hosing. There, I'll cut it off. There you go.
Oh.
Just gotta put a little silicone on there.
A little baby oil never hurt no one.
What's the baby oil for?
What the fuck?
You just slide,
Slide right off each other. We're not playing leapfrog, Stan. Oh, hold on. You want that? Oh, did you? Seems like most of the world's 2 steps ahead of me right now.
It's alright, I had to fart anyways.
Fire it up and then put the hood on there. Put the hood on the
Yeah, we better fire it up first just for good luck.
Wasn't too bad.
Is this hood pivot on the back?
Yeah, it was a bitch.
Oh, really?
Get me out of the way. Yep. You went forward or reverse? I bet it's got all kinds of stupid safety sensors. Your PTO kicked in? Look at your idle speed. It's bumped up. That might be the issue. Right to the right of your joystick.
This got a clutch. That's why it wouldn't crank. I'm stunned.
What was it doing?
Just a clutch.
Oh, it's trying. We're wafting. It's fueling a little bit. We're burning something.
Why is our exhaust all wet?
Huh?
The exhaust is all wet.
Yeah, I spray with penetrating oil.
Oh, okay. High pressure fuel leak.
Where?
That could have been rowdy. I couldn't even tell where it's coming from. It just started shooting a stream like out to the crane. Why was it staying in here? Jesus. It was spraying. It looked like it was spraying at the top of the ECM. If I had to guess.
Did you tighten that?
Yeah, both those were tight. They were an 11/16. You want to grab me an 11/16 real quick? Double check.
Yeah, you can't bite the fuel, friend. Pretty tight.
A little bit still.
Okay, well, it's right in here somewhere where it's leaking.
The only two fittings are actually wet.
Right.
That's kind of scary.
Try it again.
Stand too close to it.
Yeah. It wasn't there until you wrapped it up. Yeah.
Somebody's spraying up right into you.
Let me see your.
Wonder if that's fitting that you spun out of the pump on accident.
What?
Remember on that bottom banjo bolt? It's a two-piece.
Oh, these are bigger here. Oh, yeah, it probably is.
What was that? A 19 mil and a.
Oh.
Here.
Down.
Over 19. Does that 3/4 fit it?
Yeah.
It'll be okay.
Next week I'm useless, so it's up to you guys. Alright, that's tomorrow's problem. It's spraying. I think that fitting cracked. You might have to pull it out and put the other one in underneath it. Yeah, it is. Or there's an O-ring on it. We blasted the O-ring in half.
Yeah.
With it being loose.
Oh.
Where's that other one? You were like, oh, where did this go? Where that piece went?
It was in the Milwaukee set. I just set it down where our socket was missing. Yeah, that guy. It's just got a sealing washer underneath it.
And the other thing too is it could just literally mined a hole right through that. 30,000 is water jet level. So.
Yeah.
Well, I put the hood down.
Hey, it starts to run.
Yeah, good. Look at the bread side.
So we got it in. It's all together. It's all closed up. That's the big thing. You hate having engines open out here in the dirt. So we're all closed up, but there was a fitting that when I backed the nut off, I loosened it on the banjo bolt adapter fitting. Well, it loosened the bottom, and since we started it with that loose, we're projecting that it dug a hole through the washer. When you're talking in the tens of thousands of PSI, your fuel can cut through steel in the wrong direction. So we'll pop that off tomorrow because we're running out of daylight, although it was a beautiful day, and we'll dig into it and see what comes here tomorrow. But it's pretty much done. I don't foresee anything crazy going on. We've got that left in the hood, and that's it. So we're almost done.